Hey y'all, I know it's like the beginning of February, but if you're the average gardener, you're jonesing for some garden action. And so this is the time where a lot of us just get in the yard and do all the maintenance things and get prepped for spring. So when spring launches, it's go time. You can just get your plants, get them in the ground, and so on. And so my goal was to purchase or find and purchase a couple of raised garden bed kits. I know it's just like a square or a rectangle, and you can probably buy some lumber, cut it, and nail it together, but I'm going to tell you that would land me in the ER, I'm pretty sure, because I'm not very handy. So this particular kit is like the Lego version of a raised garden bed kit. So this was totally my speed, and it really, I didn't think it was as expensive as some of the other kits I saw out there. Essentially, it just involves some wood slats, cedar wood slats, and a few dowel rods, a couple of brackets that you drill into place to secure the bed once you get it together, and that's it. And so it was totally user-friendly. Like I said, they're made out of cedar, and from those I've spoken to who have raised beds, they've really, most of them have said to use cedar versus like a treated lumber like pine or something like that. So cedar is a little bit more pricey, but definitely weathers this type of use a lot better than other woods. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So looking here, you've got a box at the top. That's what all the materials came in. Was easy to load in my minivan with the third row folded down, so nothing you need a truck for. But it comes with 4 long slats, 4 short slats, 4 dowel rods, a couple of brackets, and then an optional nameplate you can put on at the end. This is a kit for a 2 by 6 by 11 inch depth. So, and then you can see here by the instructions, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's definitely a little bit of a trick to putting it together, but it really, once you get it figured out, takes no time at all. So the temptation will be to put the slats together and then to load the dowel from the top, joining both slats. But I'm going to tell you the much easier way to do this is to just place the dowel rods in at the first slat and then load the second slat on top of the dowel rods. Occasionally you'll need to use a hammer to gently tap that slat into place on top of the one beneath it, but this way goes much easier. These 2 by 6 beds, placed in the position they're in, allow for a straight path into the greenhouse, as well as leave enough room to be able to enter the greenhouse from the side. We do have plans on eventually adding more raised beds in this area here, but we're looking to modify our gate, and until we do that, we didn't want to put those beds in yet.